Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look today at SoundHound stock. Now if you have a look over here on the Friday session, we are seeing SoundHound drop by a further 3.16%. Coming over here to the 5-day chart, you are going to be seeing this stock dropping by 3.02%, and over the past month you are seeing a downtrend now of 14%. If there is something positive here since about the 27th all the way up to now, we've seen the stock actually gain by 18%, which begs the question, especially when looking at the 6-month trend, where do we go from here? Well, over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, it does help me out a lot. Anyway, with that being said, we might as well jump straight in. Coming over here and looking at how things are moving, there are a few positives to take away from this week. Number one is it does appear to be the case that we are establishing a new range of support here, which you could call roughly around $14. That is good. If we can see the stock hold above $14 this upcoming week, I think that does show a lot of strength. If not though, well, what are we looking at? We could be looking for a push down to 1350, 1355. These levels have held up way back here in the past and actually have worked as a little bit of resistance at points too. Seeing these levels hold up could indicate a very strong potential for an uptrend, and even if we were to drop down, as I say, to that 1350 range, that still wouldn't be the most concerning thing in the world, especially given the growth that we have seen in the last 14 days or so. Now if we are to break to the upside, which is entirely possible, especially with indicators like the RSI still being in a relatively neutral space, there is every potential then that we could push up to other key levels. Breaking initially out of 1450 is going to be a challenge. We can see this over here, we're having difficulty just getting past this stage. You see that in the late part of the Friday session, and even to the Wednesday and Thursday sessions as well. If we are able to break above that, you could be looking for an initial push, which could take us up to 1480, 1485, and past that you're looking up to $15 and beyond. Now if we're able to break up to that, you're looking for potential pushes which could take us up to levels of previous support at 1560, which could now work as a resistance depending on the circumstances. If we do see that actually happen, I think we are in a very strong position. But right now at the moment, especially given this small gain that we have seen, or actually quite large gain really, from $12 all the way up to the highs, it's about establishing a new support. If we can establish a support, roughly, let's call it 1390, 1350 even, that isn't the worst thing in the world. We're looking for some consolidation into this next week for the potential push. I think it absolutely is possible. These are simply just some of the numbers I am looking to. If you enjoyed this quick video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, it does help a lot, and I hope I'll see you again in a future update. Thank you so much for your time. Again, see you soon.